Hello and welcome to PWC Tactical. Today we got our MK2.1 from Extrema Ratio in the Desert Warfare finish. I've been testing this knife for a while now and I'm like truly seriously impressed with it, I have to say. And today I'm going to show you how to actually disassemble this knife, because you can actually fully take this knife apart. And the way you do this, you start by simply screwing off the pommel. Just keep screwing it off. There's a little like piece you can use. You have to be careful to fully get it off so it stays together. And the next thing, you have to be very careful because there's a tiny connector piece that holds everything in place, and when you remove it, I would never recommend to do it like this. I would always do it like this. So once you pull the handle off, you see there's a very tiny connector piece right in here. Let me show you. It's like a very small piece, so if you're like on the go or outside, I would be very careful because this could easily get lost, so just keep that in mind. And all you have to do now is remove the handguard, and there you already have your MK2.1 disassembled for maintenance. And to get it all back together, it's the same principle. You put the handguard right back on. Next thing, you gotta line the center piece in this specific slot here. And it has to fit just a certain way. I would put it flat on the table, make sure it fits, and make sure it stays aligned, because next thing you're going to do is take back the handle, make sure this piece is very much aligned, and push it all back together in one swing like this. So last thing you need to do is to simply screw this piece back on. You actually have to be careful that this stays on, so I would maybe recommend screwing it on like this so it all stays together much more easily. There we go. So now you can slowly, surely reassemble it. And there we go. This is the MK2.1, and I'm really impressed with this knife, and there's going to be more field tests coming soon on PWC Tactical.